Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got an unbagging product review. And I've already took it out of the box. So this comes to me from Bella at Wood Best Creative Wooden Puzzles. And she sent me a couple puzzles. She had me go and pick a couple out, and she sent them to me, and then she also sent me something else that I did not know I was getting. So, this is what I picked out, and as you can see, these are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. They come in this wooden box. This is the picture, and it is called Beautiful Butterfly. And you can see on their box, let me pull y'all up. I think I've got you too far down. All right, so on their boxes, they have got the name of the puzzle. They have got their logo, Wood Best, Creative Wooden Puzzles. And then they have all of this. And as you can see, this is a large. They have different sizes. So, yeah. This one is called Forever. And as you can see, it's just a couple staring out into, I don't want to say space, but staring out into forever. And then again, they have their Creative Wooden Puzzles. And it is a super nice box. And then it also says it's a large. And this one has got 281 pieces. It is an 11.8 by 11.8 inches. So that's how big it is. And this one has got 296 pieces. And it's an 11 by 8 by 11 by 11.1 inch. So then she sent this to me, and I didn't even know I was getting this. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to open this up. And again, I just want to thank her for sending these to me to show to everyone. And she's also given me a 20% off discount, which I will put the code right here. And I'll also put all the links to the puzzles, to this other thing that she sent, to the website. They have got a Instagram. She's got a Facebook. They've got a website. All the links will be in my description box, along with the discount code. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this company. Okay, so I'm referring to my notes, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of reading here. So they've got different sizes. All right, they have a small, a medium, a large, and an extra large. Now, not all the puzzles are going to have those sizes. Some might just have a small, medium, and large. Some might have all of it. But on your small puzzles, they are going to be about 100 pieces. Your medium puzzles are going to be about 197 pieces. Your large pieces are going to be approximately 300 pieces. And the extra large pieces will be around 684 pieces. It's all going to vary per image. Okay. So also they have got a buy 3, get 1 free going on right now, plus free shipping over $59. All right. So they have got animals, they have got space, they've got culture, zodiac, they've got holiday puzzles, they have got custom puzzles to where you can like send in, you can send in anything that you want, but you can send in like a family photo a picture of yourself, your dog, whatever, and they'll make a puzzle of it. And those come in different shapes. You can get hearts, you can get squares, you can get rounds, and the prices vary. Now, each puzzle is produced with high quality wood, and it can last forever, okay? They are all laser cut. They are hand drawn and original by their designer. So each puzzle is copyrighted, all right? So also, the unique cuts reflect the imagination and mischievousness of the designers, who add funky shapes, tricks, and teases in each puzzle, which makes them challenging and entertaining. All right, so each puzzle contains at least 15 to 20% of the little whimsy pieces, which are going to be the pieces that are like shaped, which is what I'm going to show y'all here in just a second. And like I said, they're all copyright protected. And y'all, I love this. All right, each puzzle is a story, and every detail is art. Isn't that pretty? That's such a pretty saying. All right, so they are, like I said, in a wooden box. And this comes just like this. All right. And this comes, which I did not realize it, this comes with a stand. So when you get done putting this together, you can set it up. And look, as you can see, this is a butterfly shape. And then we have another, looks like a butterfly. All right. But the shapes you can see, they are so, I'm going to bring y'all down. They are so thick, and they are so brightly colored. And these are just going to be fun. They're just going to be so fun. And there's no smell. It smells like wood. So let's see if we can find, look, is this a bird? That looks like that could be a bird. Let's see. There's another butterfly. See if we can find one more. Well, there's another butterfly. So this is just so neat. And it's so, I mean, it just looks so high end. There's another butterfly. So, yeah, and I did not realize that it came with a stand. But this is just really pretty. But you know what? I think what this is for is so that you can stand this up. Oh, it is. You can that's pretty just by itself. Okay, so you can stand that up while you're doing your puzzle so that you have, something to refer to. That is so flippin' cool. What a great idea. Wow. Okay, so let's look at this other one. And like I said, this one is called Beautiful Butterfly. And let me see. Did I write down how much these were? Why, no. No, I did not. I will leave in my description box a link to each one of these puzzles and how much they were. I thought I had written that down, but I guess I didn't. So again, you take the lid off, and there's this one, and here's your stand. Now, I'm not sure if each puzzle comes with the stand, like the smaller puzzles. But still, that is so flippin' cute. So, oh, look, there's some balloons. Okay. And what is this? A rocket ship. Oh my God, these are so cute. Look, Cupid's bow and arrow. Oh my goodness. What is this one? What is that? That's space something. But look at all of these. That's just fun in itself. Just the, as they call it, the little whimsical shapes. So that's fun to look for and do. Look, there's Saturn. Wow. So and here's a flat piece. So you know that's an edge. What is this one? Oh, this has got to be oh my God, what is it called when the stars line up and make Orion and the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper and all that. I can't think of the word. But anyway, isn't that neat? That is just so neat. But I love this image. So, what do y'all think so far, y'all? And the lids just go right back on there. And once you get your puzzle done, if you don't glue it, you can put it right back in here. And you can pass it on to another family member or a friend as a gift. And these are so durable that, you know, they're going to last, you know. So, yeah. These are impressive. Very impressive. So, this is what she sent me that I did not know that I was getting. And this is a mounting set. But what this is once you get done with your puzzle, it shows you step by step right here what you do. But you unfold this, which I'm not going to, well, yeah, I'm going to open it. But you slide your puzzle on it and you mount it. It's got like, you know what? Let's just open it. So me sitting here trying to explain something I don't even know what it is. All right, so I know that this is, and I'll put a link for this too. Where's that thing I just had? Here we go. All right. But it's so that you can mount them and, you know, to where they'll stay together and you can hang them up, put them on the wall, whatever you want to do with them. All right, it says open, so we're going to open. Maybe. Well. Okay, is there an easier way to do this? Because I'm making a mess. Oh, well, alrighty. Okay. Now we can open. All right, so this is a kit to where, let's see, I think, here's the instructions, I'm sure. Yes. So, you're just going to need a utility knife. So, you're going to remove the contents of the kit from the folder, which is this. And I'm not going to read all this, but basically, it's just showing you, these are, I guess you put this down. Anyway, this is going to be your adhesive that you're going to put on the back of your puzzle. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3 of those. This thing is what you fold out so that you can move your puzzle, slide your puzzle onto this like it was showing. Here's your adhesive mounts to where I think this is what you can put on the wall so that it will stick. So, this is a neat idea. That way you ain't got the expensive picture frames. Plus, with these being different shapes and all, there's no way, unless you went and got a custom frame, there's probably no way to mount these. I mean, unless you got like some cardboard and glue and did it yourself. So this is a very neat idea, and I don't think these were very expensive either. I think they might have been like, well, I'm not even going to say because I'm not even sure. I did see them because when I pulled this out of the box, I did look to see what this was because I was like, what is that? I didn't order that. So yeah, she threw that in for free, which I'm glad she did because I have always done jigsaw puzzles. I love jigsaw puzzles. I have never done wooden ones. I've got a couple now from different companies that I am going to be trying, but you know, I'm just used to the old cardboard puzzles you get from Walmart. So, but this is something that I enjoy doing in my like winter time. There's nothing no better than setting up a little card table, and when it's snowing outside and you can put you up a card table, put you a jigsaw puzzle out, dump that sucker out, start sorting pieces, having your coffee, your, you know, hot chocolate, whatever, watching the Hallmark Channel in the background and doing jigsaw puzzles, y'all. It is the best lazy afternoon with a big pot of soup on that stove. So, anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I just want to thank Bella for sending these to me. And like I said, I'm going to leave the discount code, the links, and everything in my description box. And I hope that y'all go check these out because I know that there are some of you out there in my subscribers that love to do jigsaw puzzles. And that is one reason why I wanted to come up and show these to y'all, is because we see this stuff on Instagram and Facebook ads and everything, but we don't know. So I took and I checked it out for you. So this is what this stuff looks like. And like I said, great prices on everything. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful images. And, you know, y'all just go check this out. So until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.